Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Crafter's Square glitter glue. Now, these are really a lot of fun. These are actual glue sticks, pens with glue in them, and they have glitter inside, so you can, you use them to do special projects like with your kids, or if you're into arts and crafts, or making like scrapbooks or things like that with various colors and designs and stuff. This is kind of right up your alley. Kids love this. I mean, with my 5-year-old, we just finished doing a project with these for his school, and we haven't gotten it back yet. It is to be graded, and it was a thing we did with the solar system, the planets, and we used all of these to make the different planets and everything, and it was kind of nice. We did it on a poster board, and we used these, and they made the planets sparkle, and it looked really nice. We drew it out first and then used these to highlight the drawing, to color it in, so to speak, and it would dry and be real sparkly. Like I said, it's glue inside, and what you do is you would open this up. If I can, let me see, show you. You open this, oops, cap came off. Let's see. Well, you see that? That is what the glue looks like. But the cap came off inside the tube here and wasn't supposed to. So let's see. So it looks like this. Yeah. And so, you could draw this around, or, and make shapes and stuff with this, And let me put the camera up so you can see. It sparkles in there. You can see that the glue, the little glitter that's inside, and it's sparkly. But remember, it's a glue, so it's gonna dry. Once it's in there, once you got your shape and everything, and you can make it as thick as you want, it's gonna dry and stay just like that, Now, it dries just about as fast as you would dry, like how long, say, Elmer's glue, or, those classroom glues dry. It's pretty much like an overnight thing, to have it dry. So, and it comes in, the assorted colors. It's not bad. It's kind of a fun little way to do all kind of different projects, I've used these for a long time now. That's why I knew about them. When the project came up, I right away thought of this, to make it a little more interesting than just a drawing with markers, So it made it like 3-dimensional, It had the sparkles in there, and, you can see how different things you could, there's all kind of things you could do with it. It's really fun to actually do letters and stuff too. Like, say you're making a special card or something for someone, like especially children, as they want to do something for Valentine's Day or something, and use glittery glue here. There's just, there's endless amounts of things you can pretty much do to make your little arts and craft kind of special, and, a little more in depth as far as dimensional, so it's not so simple, Guaranteed that if you do it well, you will get a good mark on it with your kids' teacher when they turn their stuff in. I am hoping for an A++ when we get my kids back, because we really put a lot into it, and it had everything to do with these markers. These glue sticks here. It really gave it that extra kick that it needed to, stand out, and it really does well. It really is good. I like it a lot. Yeah, okay, so we've been talking about the Crafter's Square glitter glue. Well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.